All right, new developments in the murder case of 2-year-old Laila Daniel. Henry County just got a new district attorney, and one of his first jumps was to bring in an outside prosecutor for this case.
Yeah, Laila Daniel died in November of 2015. Prosecutors charged her foster parents with murder, but the new DA believes his office may have a conflict of interest. And Christy Hutchings, News Radio 1067, is following the case and joins us now live in Henry County. Christy, the foster mother actually worked at the DA's office?
She was an intern here, and she worked at the juvenile division, and it was during that time that she first heard about Laila and began the process of becoming her foster parent.
November 15th, 2015, a 911 call comes in.
I have a toddler, a foster daughter that I just got. She was choking, and I tried to do the Heimlich on her.
2-year-old Laila Daniel didn't survive. According to DFAC's documents, a preliminary autopsy showed Laila never choked. And almost a year after her death, a grand jury indicted Laila's foster parents, Jennifer and Joseph Rosenbaum, with murder. But now that case is temporarily halted until the Attorney General's office appoints an outside prosecutor.
We feel like it's going to delay the process even longer now.
Kim Smith is a relative of Laila's. She says while she's concerned about time, she does trust Henry County's new DA to get justice for Laila. Friday afternoon, District Attorney Darius Patillo called a news conference to announce he was recusing his office from the case.
I believe that this is the right thing to do.
Patillo says after reviewing the case, he realized there's a conflict of interest he can't ignore. Jennifer Rosenbaum, a third-year law student, interned with the DA's office.
While working for our juvenile court, she attended a DFAC's hearing where she first encountered Laila and her older sister. It was around that time when Ms. Rosenbaum first expressed interest in becoming the children's foster mother.
An assistant district attorney wrote an email to DFAC's on Rosenbaum's behalf, and Rosenbaum got custody of the children while working at the DA's office. And more than likely, the staff here could be called to testify.
Let me be absolutely clear. By this action, the district attorney's office is not dismissing, reducing, or making any judgment about the charges or the evidence in this case.
Laila's family just wants to get the ball rolling in the case.
It's been really hard, the waiting, but we also know that we want all the information to be accurate and correct to get justice for Laila.
And there will be a lot of information for the new prosecutor to review. This is Laila's case file that we got in 2015 from DFAC's. And we don't have access to, obviously, all of the materials that the prosecutor will have. So there's going to be a lot of documents to go over. Now, right now, there is no time frame on when a prosecutor will be appointed. But we are told at this point the trial should stay here in Henry County. Live in McDonough, Christy Hutchings, News Radio 1067 for Fox 5 News.
All right, Christy, thanks so much for that update.